Welcome, everyone. My name is Ida Hermosillo, Director of Network Engagement for Growing Inland Achievement. Growing Inland Achievement is a regional K-16 collaborative that works across the IE to achieve educational and economic equity. Today, we are gathered for our first ever Cash for College Opportunity Raffle. And with me is Julissa. I'd love for her to introduce herself.
Hi, everyone. My name is Julissa Loza Mendez. I am the Coordinator of Network Engagement here at GIA. I am also the Cash for College Coordinator in the Inland Empire. And today is very special. We are going to talk about a little bit about the Cash for College program. The Cash for College program is an initiative where we help increase the financial aid numbers. And by doing this, we help with the FASFA application and the California DREAM Act application.
Thank you, Julissa. I know you are just as excited as I am for today, and we've really been anticipating this moment. So if you don't mind, could you share with the rest of us why today is so special and what we're doing?
I would love to. Today, we are giving away thousands of dollars in financial aid awards directly to local students to help them pay for college. Thank you to CSAC, counselors, and all our partners in the region who have helped us with the Cash for College efforts.
Thank you, Julissa. I echo that. We could not do any of this without all our partners and support from CSAC. And of course, with your help as our college coordinator across the IE for Cash for College. So thank you, Julissa. So what's next? What can we look forward to in the next few minutes?
Great question. And what's next is 6 students will have the opportunity to receive a $500 financial award, and 12 students will have the opportunity to receive a $1,000 financial award. That's a total of $15,000 in financial awards that we are giving away today to our local students.
How exciting, how exciting. So I know you've put a lot of work into making this virtual, and we've created a wheel with all our student names. So how exactly is that going to work? How will we do this in a virtual setting?
Ooh. On the wheel, I like to call it our little wheel of fortune, is we have 816 Cash for College workshop participants who attended a Cash for College workshop from October 1st to December 10th. Everyone here has an equal chance of their name being drawn, and these are all the names that were submitted to us before December 10th. So good luck, everyone.
Oh my God. Okay, so basically everyone whose name gets pulled today is one step closer to receiving this award. And as long as they meet the other 2 eligibility requirements, they'll be one step closer to their financial affordability, right?
Correct.
Okay, so I think we're ready. Let's go ahead and start with the first spin. Exciting. Let's see who our first one is.
Congratulations, Itzel Solorio. Congratulations.
How exciting. You're our first winner. All right. Okay, let's go. Number 2.
How exciting, how exciting.
Diana Esper. Congratulations, Diana. All right, we have 4 more for the first round award.
Ooh, who is it gonna be? Felicia Gallardo. Congratulations. Hey, the next spin, all these students are getting a $500 financial award.
Anilla Lancaster, number 4. Way to go, Anilla. Congratulations.
2 more for a $500 reward. Who is it gonna be?
This is exciting.
Natalie Tremble, congratulations.
All right, I think we're at our last of the first spins for a $500 award. So let's see, last but not least.
Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be?
Miguel Lacano.
Congratulations.
All right, Julissa, so we pulled the first 6 names. Those were all $500 awards, correct?
Correct. And for these ones, based on our contest rules, there are 2 other steps. So all the participants who are chosen must provide proof that they completed their financial aid applications by December 10th, and they have to complete a CSAC survey about improving the Cash for College program. So all of you lucky 6 individuals, congratulations.
I agree. So if I'm doing my math right,
Mhm.
looks like we have $12,000 left of our total 15,000 you shared we would be giving away today. So does that mean we have 12 recipients coming up for $1,000 each?
Of course. Now we are upgrading our prices for a $1,000 spin.
All right, here we go. 12 names will
Hey,
be
Mark.
$1,000.
Get set, go. Ooh, Keisha Reyes, congratulations. You're our first $1,000 winner.
Lucky day, lucky day. All right, let's go. Number 2.
I don't know about you, but I feel like we need some music here.
I know, I agree. Dance to all these awards. Leilani Lisi. I hope I pronounced that right. Congratulations, Leilani.
And now for a third $1,000 reward.
I feel like I'm in Vegas waiting for the jackpot.
Malaya Spas, congratulations, Malaya.
All right, let's hit that button. Caitlin Castro, congratulations.
Congratulations.
All right, Julissa, your turn to hit that button.
Let's begin. Ooh, who's the lucky individual? Starlene Aguirre. Rob, congratulations.
Congrats, Darlene. All right, looks like we're about halfway there. We're going to pull another name for our 6 recipients so far.
Oh, how exciting. Look at all this moolah.
Amia Molina, congratulations, Amia. All right, here we go.
Ooh, Marlene Mancia. Congratulations, Marlene.
Woo-hoo.
On to our 9th.
Vanessa Mendez. Woo, Vanessa. And actually, I just want to make sure we have a lot of recipients. This is our number 8th recipient. So we have 4 more to go. So don't lose hope. We got 4 more names to pull coming up. All right, here we go.
Ooh, lucky number 9, Yasmin Anciera. Congratulations, Yasmin.
Woo! All right, my turn to hit the button. Here we go. Stephanie Lopez. Congratulations, Stephanie. Way to go. All
For
right.
the 10th, we have 2 more. Bernice Moore. Bernice, congratulations on winning a $1,000 scholarship award.
Woo. All right, here we go. This is our last pin for $1,000 awards. Fingers crossed on the other end. Angel Martinez. Woo! All right, so that concludes the spinning for our scholarship awards on the first round for Cash for College. So if your name has not been pulled on this round, don't lose hope. Julissa, tell us why.
Awesome. So first of all, congratulations. I will personally be reaching out to all our winners through email to confirm that they met all eligibility and discuss the next steps. All winners must respond and confirm their eligibility with me no later than February 1st, 2023. I know it's crazy. So winners, please keep an eye out for an email. And then if you didn't win, no worries. All names in this December raffle will be transferred into the second raffle. We will be doing the second raffle on March 16, 2023. And just congratulations for being part of our early bird raffle and for doing your financial aid before the December 10th deadline.
Thank you, Julissa. And I echo that. We're so excited for each of you. And on behalf of myself, Julissa, the whole team from Growing Inland Achievement and all our partners across the Inland Empire, congratulations. We're so excited for your college and career future ahead, and we're glad to be part of it.
Congratulations, all of our winners. Keep a lookout for an email by Julissa at inlandempiregia.org. Once again, congratulations. Happy holidays from GIA to you.